How to use Game Launcher on Samsung M32. First of all, open the Game Launcher app from your apps list. This app collects all your games in one place for easy access and better management. Next, if this is your first time using it, you might need to enable the Game Launcher feature in the settings. To do this, go to Settings, then Advanced Feature, and turn on Game Launcher. Once enabled, all your installed games will automatically appear inside the app. After that, tap on any game inside Game Launcher to start playing. You will notice some helpful features like Game Tools, which lets you block notification, record gameplay, or take screenshots without leaving the game. These tools help keep you focused and improve your gaming experience. You can also customize game performance by tapping on the three-dot menu in the Game Launcher. From here, you can choose to enable or disable things like high performance mode or customize battery usage to keep your device cool during long sessions. Another useful feature is the Game Booster, which optimizes your device resources specifically for gaming. This can improve speed and reduce lag by managing background apps and system resources. Additionally, Game Launcher tracks your gaming stats such as total playtime and the number of games played. This is great if you want to monitor your gaming habits or set limits for yourself. If you want to add new games manually, tap on the three dots and select Add Games. Then choose the game from your app list to add it to the Game Launcher. And that's it. Now you know how to use Game Launcher on Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.